Today I will show you how to download text-to-speech free in naturalreaders.com. Follow these steps. First, go to naturalreaders.com, and second, you need to type or copy-paste text into naturalreaders.com. This is how to download Mp3 from naturalreaders.com. You need to upgrade your account for download it from this website, so I will teach you how to download it for 3 simple steps. Click on 3 dots, More Tools. Tip: you can open Developer in F12 key. Blob, HTTPS and other in-network. This is a trick to find it easily. Click on 3 dots. This is how to download Mp3 from naturalreaders.com. Click on subscribe button and like button, and do not forget to press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.